Planning a full-service move in Cranston, Rhode Island. Let's walk through what to expect and how to get the most out of your move. Full-service moving in Cranston means professionals handle everything: packing, loading, transport, and unloading. For a 2-3 bedroom home, expect costs between $1,100 and $2,800, depending on services and distance. Full-service movers in Cranston typically offer packing and unpacking, furniture disassembly and reassembly, loading and unloading, transport to your new home, optional services like storage and vehicle shipping. These services save you time and reduce stress, especially for long-distance moves. Local moves within Cranston are often completed same day. Long-distance deliveries average 3-7 days, depending on destination and load size. Several factors influence moving costs. Distance: longer moves cost more. Home size: larger homes require more time and resources. Services: additional services like packing and storage increase costs. Timing: peak seasons may have higher rates. Always request a detailed quote to understand all potential charges. To reduce moving expenses, declutter before the move. Pack non-fragile items yourself. Book during off-peak seasons. Compare quotes from multiple movers. Confirm all services and fees up front. These steps can help you stay within budget. Hiring professional movers in Cranston ensures experienced and trained staff, proper equipment for safe transport, insurance coverage for your belongings, efficient and timely service. This peace of mind is invaluable, especially for long-distance moves. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your moving experiences or questions in the comments below.